Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be solving a ChatGPT given problem, which is write a Python program to find a factorial of a non-negative integer entered by the user. So I'll be solving this problem in Python. So for first thing first, we have to take an input from a user. So let's say num. We have a variable called num, which can be integer. So we use input function, input any prompt. So here basically we are taking a variable, giving it a value which is provided by the user. So for factorial we should say factorial initially will be 1. Why it is 1 I'll tell you later. So we will use a for loop here for let's say I in range. You can use anything here instead of I, but I is by convention. I'm using this, so nothing, just it was just a hunch. So for I in range, let's say 1 to num plus 1. So why num plus 1? Why not only num? So if you are somewhat familiar with Python loops, then the number we have entered and the range function works like this. Like if it is from 1 to n, then it will run up to n minus 1. For example, if we run it from 1 to 4, then the loop will run 1, 2 and 3 only. So we have used num plus 1 because we want to use all the resource that have user provided us. So after this, for I in range 1 to num, we will again take factorial is equal to I into factorial. So what this line does is take I, which is initially 1, and factorial, which is initially 1, and multiply it and give its value to this factorial. And again, this is 1, this is 2. So when 2 is multiplied by 1, it becomes 2. Now this is 2, this is 3. Let's just see it in code. No more, blah, blah, blah. So here we have to print. For better understanding, I must use f string. The factorial of basically I'm running from this to this, so I is factorial. So this will solve pretty much of it. Enter a number, I should say 5. So factorial of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 6, 4 is 24 and 5 is 120. So how does it work? It's just simple, no rocket science, no nothing. We take an input number from a user. Factorial is defined as 1. So its initial value is 1 for I in range 1 to 5. Here we have done 1 to 5. So the loop will run from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should use a comment here. Then see, here it is. So now this is the actual line of code which executes all of this. So first factorial into 1, because I is initially 1 and factorial is also 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 gives 1. So here it becomes 1 and the value goes here. So again, now I becomes 2 and the factorial remains 1 because of the initial value. Then it becomes 2. Now the game changes and I becomes 3 because it was before 2, earlier 2, then now it becomes 3 and the factorial value was 2 before, and now it will become here 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. It's simple. Now 6 goes here in this factorial. Basically now 6 is equal to, I was 3, then it becomes 4 afterwards, multiplied by factorial is 6. Now 4 into 6 is equal to 24. And the loop goes on up to the number which I have specified, which is 5. So 5 into 24, that is 120. Now in the similar way, we can find any number like 8. Here it is. So this was the problem from ChatGPT. By the way, we can do like this. If we don't want our code to run more than one time, it will run more than one time, but it will display only the thing you want to see, 5. The factorial of 5 is 20. So here is the code. Good luck with this. So if you like the video, subscribe. Like the video.